All right, I'm fixing to ride the trail with some experienced fellas. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna try not to. These guys are good. These guys are fast. These guys are gone. And I ain't doing it. Oh yeah. Back wheel went off the ground. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna try and be a good one. A professional. Leave it up to Mark and Jeff. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is terrible, Andy. Oh, yeah. You saw that. I about went off the track. They ran off and left me. I'm gonna catch them. I gotta get back to the truck. I'm gonna run off this area. I'm gonna get back here where all the trails split off. And that's where I'm glad I've got good health care insurance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a roller. But I gotta come up hills sometime. There's one. Yeah. These guys are gone. I can't imagine being that fast. Yeah. Oh, my legs. You going?
You going?
I'm ready. I'm done. Told you I'd catch them. Only because they stopped.
Now this one's gonna, there's a lot of switchbacks.
Okay.
All the jumps are tabletop, so you can just roll over them.
Okay.
So don't go too fast, it will throw you up. But
Okay.
ready?
On our way, Cribbies. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, jeep. Ooh, ooh. You know, we got to come back up this damn hill somehow. Holy shoot. Afraid I'm going to go over my handlebars. This is part 2 of Will Cookie Survive. I can't go fast around this. I can't imagine these professionals. Then again, I bet they can't ride a unicycle that's 6 foot freaking tall. And we meet again. Buddy, I tell you what, that's no shit. No joke. I can't imagine flying through there and keeping your life. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Let's come on by me, Ken. Robin.
Phew. I'm with you. Oh God.
Yeah.
We're going to take a commercial break. Okay. Here's a continuation. And yes, you have to know when to say when. My legs are shot. There's no way I can ride. I'm gonna try and ride it. We're back to walking. All right, I'm not gonna lie. I gotta sit down. Break time, guys. Okay. I'm back to it. These guys are killing me. I know I'm faster than they are. They don't quit as quick. I'm about to get exhausted. That's for sure. I just want to go home. Wrong way with the gear. Oh, this is about the slowest I've ever gone through the nail. I'm gonna live. I'm gonna live. I'm totally exhausted. This is like my 4th trip. I will not be beat. Yeah. I told everybody that watches that I am faster than you guys. I'm quicker. That's for damn sure. Nobody stops as quick as I do.